Let's be honest for a second. Have you ever put on an outfit that you loved on Pinterest, but somehow you looked messier and not as polished? Almost like it's giving tacky vibes. Yes, same. And here's one thing. It's not your makeup, it's not your face, it's not your body, it's not your age. It's just fashion psychology. Certain shapes, certain colors, proportions, details that accidentally makes your outfit looks immature. And today we're gonna fix that. Hey loves, I'm Ida, and here in this channel we talk about fashion, psychology and everything that's between them. So before we start, make sure that you subscribe my channel. Here's the first truth that you need to hear. Looking immature has nothing to do with being young, and looking mature just has nothing to do with looking mature. It's just the visual signals that your outfit sends. Immature signals low structure, high contrast, too much playfulness, zero proportion control, too many cute elements, overly tight or overly baggy silhouettes. And here's are some major signals that I'm gonna give you. Clean line, balance, intentional shapes, visual clarity, and calm colors. Once you understand these signals, you can literally look instantly more mature in the same clothes. Proportion is everything. Where proportions don't match your frame, super tight top with a super tight bottoms, oversized top with oversized bottoms, really short skirt and chunky shoes, long top over long pants, gives more teenage energy. Why? Because teenagers just choose comfort or trends over structure. And the fix is just always balance your style one item to the opposite. Tight plus loose, soft plus structured, cropped plus high-waisted, oversized plus fitted. Balance gives maturity energy. This is so controversial, but it's true. Some details that makes you look immature and younger are overly pastel colors, big bows, graphic tees, overly round silhouettes, super short skirts, just too many accessories, baby pink, everything. These elements are associated with childhood and early teens, but you don't need to remove all of the cuteness from your outfits, but you just need to anchor it with maturity. Example fixes: cute top plus structured jeans, pastel sweater plus gold jewelry, soft skirt plus fitted neutral top, pink outfit plus clean hairstyles. Feminine without a structure is just childish. When an outfit has zero structure, meaning no sharp lines, no form, no edges, the brain sees it as a youthful. Think floppy fabrics, shapeless hoodie, slouchy joggers, oversized t-shirts, very stretchy and shiny materials. This is comfy but visually immature. The fix is just add one structured element, like a clean part in your hair, a belt, a crisp jacket, tailored pants, a structured bag, a straight jeans, and a gold hoops. Literally one structured element elevate and transform your whole style to another level. Kids dress emotionally, adults dress intentionally. Chaotic outfits is instantly perceived as immature and younger. Too many colors, too many trends, too many textures, too many patterns, too many color combos, and too much shine. The fix is just to choose a mood. Soft, clean, chic, romantic, elegant, cozy, minimal. Just pick one. Then choose two colors plus one neutral. Keep your accessories small, clean, and intentional. Aesthetic means maturity. Chaos means youth. Sometimes your outfit is just fine. The hair and your makeup is just a problem. Certain styles read as youthful. Messy high ponytails, super curled ends, chunky eyeliners, cutesy bows, overly glittery makeup, middle school side parts, and very bright makeup shades. The fix is just soft waves, clean makeup, neutral lip, neutral glam, hydrated skin, and brushed eyebrows. Okay, here's the part that you came for. Step 1. Add structured somber. Shoulders, back, hair, pants, and jewelry. Step 2. Balance proportions. Tight plus loose. Soft plus sharp. Step 3. Neutralize your palettes. 2 colors plus 1 neutral. Step 4. Remove one youthful element in your style. Graphics, ruffles with something sleeker. Step 5. Add one minimal accessory, like gold hoops, a necklace, a clean bag, or something like that. Step 6. Fix your hair. This alone adds 5 years of elegance to your style. Step 7. Just choose a mood and build everything around that mood. Looking immature isn't a flaw, it's a vibe, set of visual signals. Once you understand how to control it, your outfit goes from teenage energy to grown woman energy instantly. If you love this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friend. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.